Hello everybody. Welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today, we are diving deep into a subject that holds the keys to resilience, calm, and ultimate happiness: Stoicism. Forget what you think you know. This ancient wisdom, practiced by great thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, is not about being a robot without feelings. It's about being a warrior who understands where to focus their energy and how to guard their inner peace. It's about building a mind that is strong enough to handle anything life throws at it. I'm going to share 6 incredibly powerful, yet simple, Stoic lessons that you can start using right now to transform your daily life. Get ready to feel motivated, grounded, and unstoppable. Lesson 1. The dichotomy of control. Focus on what you can control. This is the foundation of Stoicism and the most powerful tool for ending anxiety. The lesson is simple. Some things are up to us, and some things are not. Think about it. We waste so much energy worrying about things we have zero control over: the weather, what other people think of us, the traffic, a company's decision, or even what happened in the past. When you worry about these things, you are giving away your power. The Stoics teach us to clearly separate the world into 2 columns. Column A, things I control: my effort, my attitude, my judgment, my reactions, and my character. Column B, things I don't control: other people's actions, results, reputation, and external events. The moment a challenge comes up, ask yourself, is this in column A or column B? If it's in column B, you acknowledge it, you accept it, and you let the worry go. You must focus 100% of your energy only on column A, your response. This single mental shift will immediately give you back control of your peace of mind. Lesson 2. The practice of negative visualization, the anti-worry tool. Most people think about Stoicism as being overly pessimistic, but this lesson is actually the ultimate gratitude hack. Negative visualization simply means taking a few minutes each day to genuinely reflect on and imagine losing the good things you currently possess. Imagine for a moment, what if you lost your job tomorrow? What if you couldn't speak to your best friend anymore? What if you lost the use of your smartphone or computer? It might sound dark, but the point is to wake you up. We take our blessings for granted: our health, our family, our comfortable home, our ability to learn English. By imagining these things gone, we don't become depressed. We become overwhelmingly grateful for their presence right now. This practice eliminates the constant feeling of needing more and fills you with appreciation for what is. It's a shield against complaining and a booster shot for happiness. Lesson 3. Embrace adversity, treat obstacles as training. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic emperors, wrote, "The obstacle is the way." This is a mindset shift you need to internalize. When you face a difficulty, a complicated task, a rude colleague, a financial setback, don't see it as a punishment. See it as a personal training session. Think of a strong athlete. They don't lift light weights, they choose the heavy, challenging ones because that resistance is what builds muscle. Your character works the same way. The challenges you face today are the resistance training for your soul. They force you to be patient, to be creative, to learn, and to grow stronger. A tough day at work, that's your patience training. A mistake in your English speaking, that's your courage training. Don't avoid the pain, embrace it as the necessary fuel for your development. Lesson 4. Amor fati, love your fate. This is perhaps the most advanced and liberating Stoic principle. Amor fati literally means love of fate. It's not just about accepting what happens, it's about loving what happens. This doesn't mean you have to be happy about a painful event, but it means you choose to see every single thing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, as a necessary part of your journey, a perfect piece of the puzzle that makes you who you are destined to be. Instead of wishing things were different, you say, "This happened. I will use it. I will grow because of it." This principle eliminates the what-ifs and if-onlys. It allows you to commit fully to the present moment and the reality of your situation. You don't just tolerate your life, You embrace it and transform it into something meaningful. Lesson 5. Practice premeditation of evil's worst-case scenario planning. This is another tool to kill fear. Most of our anxiety comes from the fear of the unknown. The Stoics encouraged a practice called premeditatio malorum, to spend time thinking clearly and rationally about the worst-case scenario. Before a big presentation, a job interview, or a difficult conversation, don't just hope for the best. Ask yourself, what is the absolute worst thing that could realistically happen? Maybe you stammer, you forget your English words, or the client says no. When you clearly define the worst outcome, you often realize it's not fatal. It might be uncomfortable, but you would survive. This intellectual exercise takes the power away from your irrational fear. By facing the possibility in a calm state, you mentally prepare yourself for anything, and it makes the actual outcome, which is usually much better, feel easy and manageable. Lesson 6. Remember memento mori, remember that you will die. This might sound heavy, but it is the ultimate tool for living with urgency, focus, and joy. Memento mori, remember you are mortal. We often live as if we have endless time. We postpone our goals, we put off calling a loved one, and we procrastinate on studying hard. We forget that our time is the most precious and limited resource we have. The Stoic practice is to wake up every morning and say, "Today could be my last day." This isn't meant to cause fear, it's meant to create focus. If today were your last, would you waste it scrolling aimlessly? Would you spend it holding a small grudge? No, you would focus on what truly matters, doing your best work, being a good person, expressing your love, and learning new things. Use the finiteness of life to inspire you to live fully, authentically, and without delay. Thank you so much for joining us. Go out there and make today powerful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.